Looking for a better way to sync and back up contacts? PhoneCopy has limits and a complex setup. In this video, we'll show 8 proven alternatives that are easier to use and more flexible. Number 1. Best PhoneCopy alternative: MobiKin transfer for mobile. Designed for quick, one-click transfers, MobiKin transfer for mobile Windows and Mac supports more data types than PhoneCopy, including apps, messages, and call logs. How to use. 1. Connect phones to MobiKin on PC or Mac. Click Flip if needed. 2. Select data: contacts, messages, photos, apps. 3. Click Start Copy and check the target phone when done. Number 2. Wammu. As an open source option, Wammu allows deep control over phone data, offering features PhoneCopy lacks, like SMS management from a desktop. The flexibility to run on Linux systems appeals to advanced users. Number 3. Memotoo. A full cloud-based organizer, Memotoo synchronizes not only contacts but also calendars, bookmarks, and tasks, going beyond PhoneCopy's focus. Cross-device integration makes it useful for people juggling multiple platforms. Number 4. SyncMate. Built for MacOS, SyncMate integrates phone and Mac data in ways PhoneCopy doesn't, covering contacts, calendars, SMS, and even media. The ability to sync directly without cloud storage enhances privacy. Number 5. AkrutoSync. Unlike PhoneCopy, AkrutoSync keeps all data stored locally while still syncing contacts, calendars, and tasks across devices. This offline-first design improves data security for privacy-conscious users. Number 6. JioSwitch. Popular among Jio users, JioSwitch allows fast, offline phone-to-phone transfers without size limitations, whereas PhoneCopy relies on cloud uploads. Large files like videos and apps can be moved seamlessly. Number 7. PhoneSwitch Clone Phone. Pre-installed on some devices, PhoneSwitch Clone Phone enables entire phone cloning, surpassing PhoneCopy's contact-only sync. The ability to copy apps, media, and settings ensures a true one-to-one migration. Number 8. Verizon Content Transfer. Targeted at Verizon customers, Verizon Content Transfer supports full migration of photos, videos, music, and messages, which PhoneCopy doesn't cover. The process is wireless and guided step by step for convenience.